Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about Nate Diaz and his upcoming fight and what could be the hurdle, because recently Nate Diaz has been tweeting about he's ready to fight and he's waiting for the contract, and we know who the opponent is and it is going to be. It's none other than the upcoming welterweight challenger Vicente Luque, who is currently on 2 fight winning streak. Prior to that, he was on 5 fight winning streak, but he was defeated by Wonderboy Thompson in the Madison Square Garden in 2019. So he has been asking to fight, calling out Nate Diaz after each of his last two fights, and finally he got the Nate attention, and Nate has been tweeting to fight him, considering he is currently the best, one of the best fighter in the welterweight division, and it can, if he, if Nate fights Vincente and he wins, it will probably push him to the title shot contention in the UFC, because Nate Diaz is a big name, but it's not an easy fight for him, because Vincente Luque is a very strong fighter and he's very durable as well, and he hits very hard and he has a very good ground game. So looking at all these things, and he has we can say that he has a good chance to finish Nate Diaz, because he's more powerful than Leon, and sometimes he attacks more, because Leon Edwards is more of the measured kind of fighter. He fights very intelligently. This is the same thing with Vicente Luque, but if he finds his opponent hurt, he goes very hard on them. That's why his finishing rate is really good. But the thing is, Vicente Luque is open to fight Nate Diaz, and Nate Diaz is open to fight Vicente Luque. And Nate Diaz, few days ago, tweeted that what's wrong with Vicente Luque? I've been waiting for the contract. I have not been receiving any I haven't heard from him yet. There must be something wrong with Vicente Luque. But the thing is, Nate Diaz, this is the last fight on the Nate Diaz contract with the UFC, and UFC has a history of holding fighters who are big star and who generate high pay-per-views. So they have history of holding fighter by making them sign longer fight contract, so that they can hold them off. And this issue has been raised in past as well, and if they release some fighter, they mainly do it because they are in the last phase of their career, or if they have lost last few fight, like they are on 4 or 5 fight losing skid. So looking at all these things, this could be the thing which is the biggest hurdle in the Nate Diaz fight, his next fight, because looking at this celebrity boxing things and the kind of money fighters are making, Nate Diaz next goal is to fight for boxing, and that's the reason he is not open to sign the new contract. And recently, Ali Abdelaziz, who is Vincente Luque manager, he came out and he said the same thing as well, that they are open and they are very willing to make this fight. Both the fighter are ready, but the main holdup is Nate Diaz contract. So let's hope this fight happen, and if we hear any more new update from about this, I'll be glad to provide you with that. And thanks for watching the video, and please like and subscribe our channel.